What's going on, y'all? I hope you're having a great day, morning, or evening. It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. This reversal strategy secret helped me catch this huge trade. So as you can see here, this trade was a huge 1 to 5, almost 1 to 6 risk to reward ratio. So that means whatever I risked, I made 5, almost 6 times that amount. So for example, if I risked $100, I made 500, almost $600. If I risked $1,000, I made 5,000, almost $6,000 off this one trade alone. And then when we go into the daily time frame, we can see that we caught literally 3/4 of the entire daily candlestick in that entire move for the day. Or the reason why we didn't catch this move, because one, it wasn't in our confirmation range, which we're going to talk about in a little bit, and two, I wasn't on the charts at the time when price did that move. Now, not only did we take this huge setup, but we broke this down not only during the London session live, not only during the Sunday chart analysis for the beginning of the week, and this was a move that happened Wednesday, but we also broke this down in the New York price watch list with the members and students. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button, because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we also live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. We also have a free signal, free Telegram. As you can see right here, this is how we did last month for May. We went 16-4, giving us an 80% win rate, cost 69,396 pips. You can see this by going to June 3rd. You can also see some student results and testimonial, and over 1,000 receipts of screenshots of student results, testimonials, screenshots of actual position of trades I took, screenshots of signals I called, all that good stuff. So make sure to hit that first link in the description and check all that stuff out. Now, that's how we did last month. Now, how we did quarter one to start the year off, we went 53-4, giving us a 93% win rate. January, we went 20-0, catching 37,620 pips. February, we went 17-1, catching 24,403 pips. Then March, we went 16-3, catching 49,783 pips, catching a total of 111,806 pips. You can see this by scrolling to April 4th. You click right here. You click right here. It's going to take you to the beginning of the year. Now, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. And again, I send a New York price watch list out to the members every day at the beginning of New York, going over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, as well as possible setups going into New York. So now let's break down why I went for this setup, why new price was going to reverse and the trend was going to change, and how you can catch a similar setup. Now, I made a separate video going over how to identify reversals in 3 steps. So if you have not watched that video yet, make sure to pause this video. Make sure to pause this video and check that one out, because like I always say, it's important to understand how the charts work. The more you understand how to read the charts, the more you're familiar and comfortable with the charts, market behaviors, and the patterns, the easier it's going to be to assume what the next possible move is going to be, as well as the more confidence you're going to have when you take these setups. So first thing you want to do is you want to identify the trend on the bigger time frame. The trend is going to tell you the direction price is going. It's going to give you your overall bias. You want to go with the overall direction price is going and the bias, because that's going to automatically give you a higher likelihood of price going in your favor. So as you can see here, we had a nice clean uptrend here. We see clear higher highs getting made, but then we saw price here after this retracement and needed to continue to respect this level as support and push up and break this high to the left. That's what would have gave us a higher high. So what we saw here was price failed to do so. So at this point, this was my first sign that we could possibly see a reversal come into play. So I'm waiting for price to do one of two things: either break the high to the left or break below the support level. And if it breaks below the support level, I'm going to go for a sell. Right? So now that I understand what my game plan is going to be, now I just got to patiently wait to see which one of those direction price goes, which one of those levels price holds. And of course, before I could do either one of those two things, I got to mark off my key price levels. Boom. So I got my key price levels marked off, right? It looks exactly like what we was just looking at before. So again, we just marked off the strong support level, and we see how price is holding this level as support. So again, I'm either going to look for buys if price can break one of these two levels and break the higher high to the left, or if it breaks the support level and treats it as resistance, because as you guys should know, a strong support can also be a strong resistance level. So now is the time when I go into the smaller time frame and wait for my confirmations. So again, we see price did this move around 9:00 p.m. EST 2100. So again, I was not on the charts at that time, and we see right here is the beginning of London session. So this is when I was live with the members and live on YouTube. So from this point, I'm either going to look for retracing back up to these two levels. I'm waiting to see if price can break this level and hold it as a resistance. Boom. So we saw price broke the level. We saw the retest, and we see price is still holding this level as a resistance. So this is when I got the green light to go for the sell setup. Did one more retest, and then again, you see the rest was history. So again, this happened right before New York session at 6:30. This was 7:15. This was the start of New York. This was 9:15. The start when the markets opened for the New York session. And then again, you see the rest of the day price tank. So not only did we catch this move during London session, but we caught the direction price was tanking way before New York session started. So it was able to catch a whole nother good amount of the move just because we was on the charts before New York session started. And it's that simple, y'all. Again, you see price breaking these support levels, treating as resistance, breaking support, treating as resistance, breaking support, treating as resistance. It's that simple, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join a free Signal and free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, my Signal services or my mentorship program, because again, this doesn't just work on NAS, this also works on currency pairs. As you can see, we've been killing it with GU. We killed it with GJ as well. The New Zealand pairs have been going crazy. Again, we do this with all these different charts, man. So if you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, my signaling services or my mentorship programs, make sure to hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free Signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible setups going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded in an hour long and they're sent to you the same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.